All I can say is that you have to be able to think out of the box, and which means आप मतलब फ़र्रुखाबाद के घराने के तबला प्लेयर होके वहाँ नहीं जा सकते हैं. आप एक तबला प्लेयर हैं और एक गिटार वादक है. जैसे गिटार वादक कीबोर्ड वोकलिस्ट है, वैसे आप तबला प्लेयर हैं. आपका घराना वगैरह वो सब छोड़ दीजिए. आपको सब छोड़ छाड़ के जाना पड़ता है, क्योंकि वो कल्चर ऐसा है दैट दिस कल्चर हैज़ कम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड. अभी अगर मतलब मुझे सही मायने में अगर स्पष्ट करना हो तो हमारे देश में फ्यूजन का कोई कल्चर नहीं है पहले से. ये वहाँ से आया है और वहाँ कल्चर ऐसे ही रहा है कि जैसे जैमिंग कहते हैं. वो कभी मेरा लड़का ड्रमर है तो वो जाता है जैम करने के लिए कि यू नो. सो इट्स जस्ट कमिंग टुगेदर, अंडरस्टैंडिंग ईच अदर्स म्यूजिक and trying to create something together. Now this can happen at various levels. Many very good, well-trained classical musicians, very well-trained jazz musicians, maybe pop musicians, rock stars, all these all these bifurcations that have happened over a period of say 60-70 years abroad. These musicians have been working together for many years together in different groups. So what I'm trying to say is that fusion is something that has been in their culture for at least 50 years or so, maybe. I mean, I may be wrong, but many years. And they have been interacting with each other in this way, understanding each other's music. Now, my observation about tabla player getting into fusion is that, for example, Zakir Bhai. Now, many tabla players today play fusion, and even young tabla players, when they start playing, they get into they have their band of their own. Now, my only suggestion to them is to look into Zakir Bhai's life, because I have been a very keen observer about his life, about his musical journey. Before he actually actively got into experimentative music or so-called fusion that you're saying today, he spent a good 30 to 35 years of his life with people like Pandit Ravi Shankar ji, Ustad Allah Rakha Khan Sahab, Ali Akbar Khan Sahab. He used to go here when he was young at Malabar Hill. To every afternoon it was his duty to go and sit with Bade Ghulam Ali Khan Sahab. If he felt like singing, he would sing. Otherwise, Zakir Bhai just would sit there and go back home. तो कभी मूड में आया तो स्वरमंडल लेके हम बेटा ठेका बजाओ, तो ठेका बजाना. तो इतने साल उन्होंने मेन स्ट्रीम इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक, शास्त्रीय रागदारी संगीत में ऐसे बड़े बड़े बुज़ुर्गों के साथ उन्होंने गुजारा. साथ ही उन्होंने जॉन मगलॉफ्लिन जैसे और बहुत सारे, मिकी हार्ट एंड ऑल दोज ग्रेट musicians of those days, he spent so many years just observing, studying, analyzing, assimilating, all that. He did not actively get into it. And then finally when he realized that now he can connect in some way, जब वो अंदर की आवाज़ आई तब उन्होंने, और of course the advantage that he had was that he lived there. So you see, he could go through that process. He was in that process, and what he is today as an experimentative and a fusion, apart from his classical, the great fusion work that he does, is because he has actually been in that atmosphere for so many years, studying and assimilating it. So it's not easy for any tabla player to just say one fine day that I'm going to play fusion music.